In Katsina State, we have since realized that we need to use the locals to achieve the maximum security in our society, because the locals are very important in terms of engagement, in terms of gathering local intelligence, in terms of all the support the security agencies may require. Because without getting the support of the locals, the military, the army, the police, and the rest of them will not be able to function very effectively. But when there is synergy between the civilian, that is the locals, with the conventional security agencies in the state, I think it will go a long way in helping to reduce the effects of the banditry in the society.
So you also painted a grim picture of how challenging the situation has been. Could you talk?
It is really very challenging for a state governor to be getting reports every day and every night on killings, kidnapping, and maiming of some of their citizens. I think it is really disheartening. Sometimes it is really mind-boggling. And then you have to do something as executive governor of the state, as the chief security officer of the state, to see how you can mitigate that, to see how you can prevent that, and see how you can reduce it to the very minimum, so that our people can be able to go about doing their normal businesses, reaching out, going to farm, because in Katsina State, 90% of our people are engaged in farming activities in one way or the other. So without having peace and security in the state, they may not be able to engage in those economic activities that will allow them to get out of poverty and also prosper and create jobs to our teeming youth.
So how will the citizens assist the security agencies in helping the situation in your state?
I think the citizens are really very cooperating, but it is really sometimes very difficult, because the major challenge we are having is the issue of the informant, which are within the locality. So if you don't use the locals to fish out those informants from the society and deal with them, I think the issue will continue to grow.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much.